Hello, ya comenzamos. Voy a comenzar este video como debe ser. Voy a comenzar este video en inglés. Hello, you guys. How are you? There's not much to say in this video. I'm just gonna start this way. I have to make a whole video in English today, so I really hope you guys like it. And I know it's gonna be a little bit awkward because sometimes I just say wrong things and that's it. That's how my English is, and I'm really sorry about it, but let's just get started and let's just play with some makeup. Yeah, let's just do it. ready to go. If you speak English and you are watching this video, I'm sorry. You are gonna see a lot of words here that are not correct, so I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna be doing a dark green look, makeup look. I'm gonna be doing that today. Dark green, dark olive. Bitch, which one was? Okay, whatever. So it's gonna be one of those dark greens, smoky eyes. No smoky eye, I don't really know. It's just gonna be one of those looks with lots of green, dark green, and shimmer and gold. And okay, let's do this. I'm gonna start to prime my eyes. I'm gonna be doing that with my Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of it, and then I'm just gonna beauty blender, just gonna blend that out with my Real Techniques sponge. This is so weird, me doing a video in English. I never thought there was gonna be a thing, but it is a thing, so let's go with the flow. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I want my eyeshadows to stay a long time. I don't really know why, because I'm gonna be taking this makeup off when I'm finished, but that's what am I supposed to say to you? And then I'm gonna be setting this with a setting powder. What a secret! You're gonna be setting it with a setting powder. Good. Then neutral set colorless face powder. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and then I'm just gonna set it, and then it's gonna be a great base for my shadows. I think I'm gonna be using the Jacqueline Hill palette because it has really nice gray, dark gray gray, really green. It has really nice green, dark green tones. I'm gonna start with a transition color. I feel so weird speaking English, oh my god. I'm gonna be using this one here, which has no name. Remember, this palette has not the names. So I'm gonna be using that, which is okay, this is very bad to me. I'm very bad describing colors. So this one is light camel color, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna be doing that as my transition color. And this is water, okay? Don't get too excited. It's just water in a very fancy second-hand store cup, glass. Let's take some water. I'm feeling extra today, so I'm gonna be bronze. So I'm gonna try something today here, which I don't think it's not a good idea, but I saw it in my one of my favorite YouTubers, which is Tati. She's amazing, and she always looks so I just love her so much. I do. So I just saw her that she was using a bronzer all over, and that's why I'm not wearing anything here, because I want to try that today, and we're gonna see if I look a little bit closer to Tati, because she's the best. Transition color, which is color de transición, huh? You're learning some Spanish too. Right, after I have my transition color right there, I'm am gonna start. Should I start with the green? You know what? Let's start with the green. I am gonna start with this green here, which is very, very dark. It's like a dark green close to black color. Let's call it that way, which is a very long name. And I'm just gonna build that up. I don't want to put too much of the color because it's gonna be harder and harder to like start blending. So I'm just gonna go really like almost nothing. I'm gonna be using this brush here, which is the Morphe M441, to start blending that, but very, very like light. I'm gonna be putting more of that green, but I just wanna, like I said, start building that up. Build the color, and then I'm just gonna start adding more and more and more and blend, and adding more and more and blend, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna be doing. And in this kind of looks, it's really important that you blend and blend and blend and blend because that's what's gonna give you the guarantee of a well done look. Okay, still here, blending and blending, but then, you know, I have to have shimmer and I have to have glitter in my life, because if I don't, I feel bad. So I'm just gonna take this color here, which is like a way, way lighter, with a very, very precise brush. It's not wet. I haven't made it wet yet. I'm just gonna try it dry, and I'm just gonna put it like right here in my inner corner of my eye, and then I'm just gonna slightly extend it to the middle. And it's not gonna be that much of a change, but it's gonna give her to that matte color I was using before. It's gonna give it that shimmery look, which I really like. And then I'm just gonna go to the same brush and I'm gonna start blending that. I think I'm gonna put that color all over my lid because it's really beautiful. That shimmery green, I'm gonna just like extend it to the whole eyelid. Is really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. It makes a huge difference. I'm gonna just go back to my transition color, but now I'm just gonna be using a different brush, which is gonna be, which one is gonna be? It's gonna be this one is the winner. This one is the Morphe E17, and I'm gonna go again to that camel color that I was using at the beginning, and I'm gonna just like slightly like help to like blend all that with the transition color, which was a little bit. I didn't like even like take that much of it, but it's gonna help to like just bring every single color together. I'm gonna do something. I need to do something because I wanna like make it like more like there in your face. Is this color here, which is like okay, there's no way I know how to say this color. It's like agua marina. It's like watery, like no algae, but like sea, like what you see in the sea is this color. So I'm gonna take that, and then I'm gonna put a little bit like right here. Ooh, yes. Yes, can you see that? That's what I was going for. Woo, I love it. I love it. And then I'm just gonna go to the edges and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go with more, but this time I'm gonna use setting spray. setting spray. I'm gonna do that and then more glitter. Yes! Oh my goodness, this is so nice. I love this. Now guys, we're gonna blend the edges because I don't want it to be like very like super, like, how can I say that, like super mark. I don't even know if that's a thing. Like, yeah, I can see right where the color starts, so I don't want to see that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this color here, the shimmer green one. Do you remember that one? Yes. I'm gonna take a little bit of that one, and then I'm just gonna come here to blend that. I'm gonna take a little bit of this color here, which is pretty similar to the transition color I was using at the beginning, but this one is way lighter. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, a little bit of that, a little bit of that, and then again go right here, like really close to my brow bone. I just want to see everything like one color, even though it's not. But now I'm just gonna be a little bit more extra, because why not? So I'm just gonna go with another brush, and then I just need something gold, you know? I need something very gold. This color here, which is one of my favorites, I really like it, and that one is Just a Kiss. Okay, Just a Kiss. I'm gonna pop a little bit of this color. So right now this is how it's going. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'm gonna be back with you guys because you don't want me to go over the same thing again. So I'll be back. I'll take some water. Yes, and then I'll be back with my eye done. I was also using as my base after all my skincare and everything. I was using this product by MAC. This is a strobe cream, hydrating strobe cream. I also want to use it like here. I want to make myself very bronzy and very nice. So I saw that Tati was doing this in her channel, and I think it's pretty cool. I mean, everything she does is amazing. It doesn't say the color or anything, but it's pretty much a bronzer, like a liquid bronzer. I'm gonna be making myself bronze. And I'm using a lot. Okay? This is like a cream. I'm just putting it on like a cream. We're gonna fix the face after. Don't worry about it. But, oh, this is nice. Okay, now I'm gonna mix a little bit of my strobe cream, which is very shimmery and nice. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this as well. I'm gonna make like a mist. Ooh, it's creamy. And then I'm just gonna put it all over. She also uses this. Ooh, yes. Now I'm tan. But I need to fix the face problem. The one I'm using right now is Marc Jacobs. I'm obsessed with this lip gloss here. It's so nice. This one is one of the Enamor. I don't really know how to say that, like a lot of words. And this one is the shade 344 Skin Dip. It's just going to like the whole vibe of this look. And that's it, you guys. This is the look. Let's just like show you how it looks like better. Alright, you guys, this is the whole look from today. I hope you guys like it. I really hope that I made this video fun for you guys, and I really hope that you learned something from today and that you liked it. That's the whole purpose of it. Like, having fun with makeup is one of my favorite things. And if you are just watching this video and you happen to speak English, just let me know in the comments below. What do you think? If I really liked it, I might be thinking to like opening my channel in English. I think that would be very hard because I really have to work hard for this channel right now. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna just like show you here what my Instagram looks like, and I'm gonna wait for you there. And also don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, if you like this channel. I know I'm just doing all this in English because it's a thing right now, but just subscribe. I think I did it. Yeah, just subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.